Welcome back to Broken Broke Garage. We're doing something a little different today. We're gonna make lawnmower fast, I guess. Pulley swap it. This is what it is. It's a Craftsman thing. We used to cut the grass with it, but it kept breaking, so we got like another lawnmower. So this one's just been sitting around waiting to get fixed, but since we're not gonna fix it, since we got that other one, time to see what this baby got. What do you think, Morgan? You like my mower?
It's the most hillbilly shit I've seen.
It's awesome. 17.5 horse, little gas tank. Yeah, this thing's gonna be on the channel for a while. A lot of upgrades to come. So I actually might be getting a different one tomorrow. I'm not getting into this stuff. We're gonna drop the rear end. It's on by like 6 bolts, and yank this pulley off. I might try to use the pulley from up there because that used to turn the deck belt. Might try to put that one on the rear end for now. If that doesn't work, I gotta buy a pulley. But regardless, we gotta take this rear end out. So let's get to it. Be back in a second. We got it on hook. The shifter link was just giving a little bit of a, I don't even know. It wasn't hard. It was this stupid little bolt thing. But, yeah, seems to be working. Hopefully, it doesn't drop anywhere. Should be good enough to pull it out, I think. See anything else attached other than the belt?
Whatever that thing is.
Oh, that's the brake. I just had to pull that out. Let's get that pulled out. I don't want to drop this in my hand. So I had to pull the belt out from the front. The lawnmower's really not that stable, so be careful. Oh. Alright, Dan, you can even set that on the ground. It don't matter. It's not gonna hurt it. Alright, guys, here we go. We got a rear end. For a lawnmower. So now we gotta get somehow pull this pulley off somehow, and then see if that other one's gonna work or if I have to buy one. We got the rear end out. Not hard to see that, but so this thing's hard to get off. I got this puller. I'm gonna actually drill holes in this and use it to pull that off. It should work out pretty good, I think. Yeah, it should work. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Get these holes drilled, and then I'll show you guys how it works out, in case you guys have to do this to yours. There's a lot of videos on people making lace lawnmowers, but I haven't seen someone really do this yet, I don't think. So let me get these holes drilled, and I'll be right back. So that's good. I'll be back after I get these completely drilled out, because drill kind of sucks. So I tried to make a pulley, which it did work, but I needed a spacer, and I couldn't get the spacer right, so I just bought this one. Came with a spacer already attached to the pulley. Works just fine. I think it's a 4-inch pulley, so I don't know what this is really gonna do. It's definitely gonna be faster. Hopefully it works out. But we gotta get this transaxle back under the lawnmower, and I gotta figure out a belt situation. So after I figure out a belt situation, we'll try to get this thing started and see what it does. I'm not gonna film me putting this under, because I filmed taking it off, and it's pretty much the same process. 6 bolts. So yeah, let's see what this puppy will do in a second. be back. Go have some fun. You gotta hook the throttle up to this thing eventually like a gas pedal. What?
There's not tires doing this.
They always run like that.
No, it's not. That was straight down.
So that's it, guys. That's the mower. Yeah, we got it done. We needed it to go a little bit because the GoPro went black. But yeah, I might get a new front end from like this lawnmower junkyard place. Might not, might just fix that one. We need to stiffen it up anyway so this don't happen again. But it's still rideable right now. I don't know, probably goes like 10, 15, you think?
More like 20.
What?
More like 20.
I don't think it does 20. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I'll get a speedometer on it eventually. But I want to add a gas pedal to it. I want to do a bunch of other things to it. Just hope you guys like this video. It's fun. We're going to keep this thing around for a while. Probably do a paint job, all kinds of stuff to it, like I keep saying. And, yeah. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe.